Are you trapped in a system designed to destroy your life? If the government has suspended your license or passport, intercepted your taxes, garnished your wages, or taken custody of your children through fraudulent child support enforcement, you're not alone. This isn't justice. It's systematic oppression. Here's what they don't want you to know. Child support, as it's currently enforced, is unlawful and fraudulent. They open cases without your knowledge or consent, post false arrears to your name, destroy your credit, and strip away your fundamental rights, all while claiming it's for the children. But what if I told you there's a way to fight back and win? Self-Made Freedom LLC specializes in child support elimination consultations, designed to undo the damage and restore your life. Whether you've had a case opened behind your back, lost custody, had taxes intercepted, wages have been garnished, driver's license or passport suspended, or even seen child support on your credit report, our consultations map a clear path forward. We walk you through documented challenges, identify unlawful enforcement actions, and deploy proven strategies to eliminate fraudulent cases entirely. We also pursue compensation, collecting damages for lost income, ruined credit, and emotional harm caused by unlawful enforcement. Picture your driver's license reinstated, wages freed, credit cleaned, all of the money taken from you refunded, and custody disputes addressed with clarity and legal strategy. Don't let them destroy another day of your life. Contact Self-Made Freedom LLC today for a specialized consultation and a personalized plan to stop the government's oppression and reclaim your freedom. Your path to freedom starts with one decision: the decision to fight back. Whether this has been done to you 20 years ago or recently does not matter. It's wrong, unlawful, and it can be stopped. In order to get this situation reversed, call or text our team of specialists at 917-336-0517 or email us at support@godofimagination.com. We are currently dismissing unlawful child support cases, getting driver's licenses and passports restored, stopping wage garnishment, and helping men and women to overcome the negative and detrimental effects child support enforcement has on people's lives.